says.
Well, you go first. It's a softballer.
They're like, what is this new species? They're all hiding now. Well, there's more coming through.
They'll come through though.
Come on. Come on down. They probably think we've got food. Yeah. It's so beautiful. I really do like
What's that?
horses.
What did that come for? That bow one. You could almost hear its brain clicking. Oh, that's what they'll all come up here for. We went to East Colton Park and they sort of put you in robes and you had to all relax and lay down and you went to sleep.
Oh yeah.
If that was a ball, I'd think it's getting ready to charge.
Yeah. I can't believe I moved
It might
and it actually came towards me though. That is kind of crazy. Video like just.
More cows.
Yeah.
Pretty flowers. So today we've just been walking again. I've kind of realised that our family walk a lot. We did a 3/4 of a mile walk up a hill and then back in the heat. So I'm pretty warm right now and we've just got back into the village. This morning I didn't really do much, just downloaded a few files for the videos and then when we get back it'll be the same, just with a cold drink. And then now we're just walking down trying to find this little lane that leads through a bit of grass near a bull field, and it kind of like just shows that. And then this is the fancy part of the village. It's literally like massive houses, and then this one that's for sale's just recently been built. It's like so different to anything around here. It's literally like just modern, basically, like white plaster everywhere, and it's for sale. And I think it was literally built and then they put it up for sale, so I don't know what that was about. A waste of time. But yeah, so just trying to find a little lane now and we'll walk down there. And then that's basically my day. Quite boring like usual, but I'm going to film another video later, so that's not too bad. Bye!